Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to do a very simple brown smoky eye inspired by Beyoncé's new video 1+1. This look is very easy to do and doesn't require a lot of time. Besides, it is perfect for fall, so stay tuned if you're interested. And now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is apply a primer to eliminate any possible creasing. Now you can move on to your eyeshadows. Today we'll start our routine by applying a neutral color to our crease. This will be a great transition color later on. Using a fluffy dome brush, apply the product to your crease and blend it really well. Next is the highlight color. This time I will be using a creamy white matte eyeshadow, which I will apply under the arch of my brow, and I will blend it really well with the crease color to have a smooth transition. Now let's move on to the darkest eyeshadow, which is going to be a matte dark brown eyeshadow. In order to prevent the fallout, apply the eyeshadow with dabbing motions to a moving lid, and thereafter, using a fluffy dome brush, blend the dark eyeshadow with your crease color. Using a flat shading brush, apply the same dark brown eyeshadow to a lower lash line. Now the next two steps will make our look unique. First, apply some black eyeshadow on top of your smoky eye, do it really gently, and then on top of everything, apply some shimmery light brown color. All this will add some peculiarity to our look and will make it perfect for fall. Our look will be incomplete without some eyeliner on our waterline, so apply that. And then curl your lashes and apply some black mascara to finish off our eye makeup. On her cheeks, Beyoncé had some matte bronzer. I personally think it suits the look perfectly, so I'll do the same. And on her lips, Beyoncé had a dark pink lipstick, a color very similar to the color of an old rose. This is a perfect color for fall, so I will be applying that too. Now many of you may have noticed that Beyoncé's hair looks very voluminous and very beautiful. This result is impossible without the hair extensions. The ones I'm showing you right now are my favorite clip-in hair extensions by Rapunzel. This is my second pair and I totally love the quality of these and the variety of colors available. Although my hair is colored, I was still able to find the matching color. The link to the Rapunzel website, along with a list of products used in this tutorial, will be in the description box, so check it out if you're interested. And yes, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay always happy, healthy, and beautiful, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials and subscribe in case you still haven't. I also have Twitter, Blogger, and Facebook, so make sure to follow me there too for more info and updates. Thanks and bye.